Ever since AI influencers started becoming popular, it has become easier for creators to build an online personality without always needing to be on camera. For example, meet Alina. She doesn't film videos, she doesn't take photos, and she doesn't exist in real life. But with the right creative direction, a character like this can have a consistent identity, a recognizable style, and content that can be used across social media platforms. And that's where things get interesting. The social media space is changing fast, and AI characters are becoming a new way for creators to experiment with digital branding and visual storytelling. But here's the part most people get wrong. Creating one good-looking image is easy. Keeping that same character consistent across multiple posts, outfits, poses, and scenes is the real challenge. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a realistic AI influencer with strong character consistency using free AI tools. And then I'll show you how to take it a step further using Room 11, so your AI influencer isn't just a random character, but a more structured digital brand you can build and position over time. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start creating the influencer, it's important to understand one thing. An AI influencer is not just about making a realistic face. It's about building a digital identity that can be used consistently across content, branding, and audience engagement. Because if you only create random images, the character will feel disconnected. One post may look great, but the next one might look like a completely different person. And once that happens, it becomes harder for people to recognize or connect with the character. So the goal is not just to create an AI model. The goal is to create a digital personality with a consistent look, clear style, and a content direction that can grow over time. And once you have that kind of character, the next question becomes, where do you take the audience you're building? That's where Room 11 comes in. Room 11 is a fan experience platform designed for creators who want more privacy, more control, and a direct relationship with their audience. Instead of depending only on social media algorithms, creators can build a more private creator-to-fan space where they decide who gets access and how their content is shared. What makes Room 11 interesting is its creator-first approach. It offers up to 90% payouts to creators, daily payments instead of waiting monthly, and built-in CRM tools that help creators manage fan engagement in one place. Another thing that stands out is that Room 11 does not cross-promote other creators to the fans you bring in. So if you drive traffic to your room, your audience stays focused on your creator brand instead of being pushed toward other profiles. It also gives creators multiple ways to earn through features like live streams, pay-per-view content, chats, audio files, and one-on-one video calls, all within one platform. So for an AI influencer, Room 11 can become the next layer of the strategy. Social media can be used to build awareness, while Room 11 gives you a more structured space to manage engagement, build exclusivity, and create a more premium fan experience. Check the link in the description, set up your room, and start building a more structured fan experience around your AI influencer. Before we can take the AI influencer to a platform like Room 11, we first need to build the influencer properly. For this workflow, I will be using these AI tools. The first is ChatGPT Image 2 to generate the AI influencer images, and Seedance 2.0 to bring the character to life through video. The reason I like this workflow is because it gives the AI more visual context. Instead of relying on one single image, we'll create a reference board that includes the character's face, side profile, outfit, full body, and close-up details. This helps the AI understand who the character is and makes it easier to keep the same look across different scenes. Now, in order to create our character, I need to craft my prompt. So I will go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide a prompt for my AI influencer. After getting the prompt, I click on this plus sign and select Create Image. After this, I pasted the prompt and choose my aspect ratio, and this was the image I got. Once we have a strong main image, we don't stop there. We need to generate more angles of the same character. This is where many people get it wrong. They create only one portrait and expect the AI to magically remember the face forever. But for better consistency, we need different references: front-facing portrait, side profile, full body shot, close-up face details, and maybe even a few outfit variations. I made this possible by using a simple prompt like this. The more clear references we have, the easier it becomes to recreate a consistent character. After generating these images with ChatGPT, the next step is putting everything together inside Canva. To do this, I will create a new project in Canva and select 1:1 aspect ratio. After this, I imported the profile images and placed them at a time. The main portrait can go in the center, while the side profile, full body image, facial close-up, and outfit references creators are placed around it. This board becomes the master reference for the AI influencer. Once I was done, I exported the images. Think of it like a visual identity sheet. It tells the AI, this is the same person, this is the face, this is the body type, this is the outfit style, this is the overall look. So whenever we want to create a new image or video later, we can use this board as a stronger reference instead of starting from zero. Once the character board is ready, we can now use it to create different content scenes. For example, we can place the influencer in a studio, on the street, inside a cafe, in a fashion shoot, or interacting with a product, because the AI now has a clear reference. Now to put our influencer in a video, we will ask ChatGPT to create different scene video prompts for this. And I got this. Once this is done, I will go over this platform called Dzine to access Seedance 2.0. I uploaded the reference image and pasted one of this video prompt from ChatGPT, then select 9:16 aspect ratio and set my duration to 8 seconds or more. Once I was done, I clicked generate, and this is what I got. And once we have consistent images and videos, then Room 11 becomes much more useful, because now we're not just uploading random AI content, we're building a structured digital personality with a clear look, clear niche, and content that can be positioned for an audience. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.